Here at Palos Verdes High School, students are challenged by an academic rigor that ensures success at all levels.
We offer 32 AP classes here, which is almost every single AP class that the College Board even has. You're constantly learning new concepts and new content every day. We've got the highest scoring that you can have in math scores and English scores and science scores. Our AP pass rate is 20% higher than the national average.
Palos Verdes High School is known in the world of college admissions as a college prep high school.
One thing that is extremely unique about Palos Verdes High School is the block schedule, which provides a productive learning environment and helps students thrive.
You're able to teach in its purest form with the block.
Having that extra time to really read literature, discuss literature, do some writing, spend some time on grammar. I think it gives the students an opportunity to really digest and comprehend the material before that bell rings.
And here we also provide unique research opportunities.
AP Capstone is a 2-year program, and first year is AP Seminar and second year is AP Research. More skills-based than content-based, so it can really be applied to any point of interest of any student. You're learning how to analyze resources, how to evaluate information, and you're entering the actual world of research.
To balance out all these classes and help prepare students for the next 4 years ahead, our AVID program is committed to doing just that.
The big goal of AVID is to get students college ready. They're doing their agendas, they're doing their binders, they're getting more organized, which organization is such a big thing for students, especially students starting off as freshmen and learning when they come here to PVHS that they're starting off on a strong note.
The College Career Center really helps students prepare for college specifically by scheduling visits with well over 100 colleges every year.
So when choosing where to spend your next 4 years, know that Palos Verdes High School has all the resources to offer you a memorable experience. For Live from 205, I'm Francesca Blue.